Did you know America's most wanted terrorist hid in a 10 by 12-foot cabin without electricity for nearly 2 decades? Ted Kaczynski, the Unabomber, lived completely off-grid in the Montana wilderness while conducting the FBI's largest domestic terrorism investigation. On April 3, 1996, federal agents finally discovered his primitive hideout near Lincoln, Montana. For 18 years, he had been sending sophisticated bombs through the mail, killing 3 people and injuring 23 others. Inside his tiny cabin, agents found detailed journals documenting every single attack, bomb components scattered across handmade shelves, and surveillance notes on his victims. But the smoking gun was an old manual typewriter, the same typewriter he used to write his 35,000-word manifesto that newspapers published nationwide. His own brother recognized the writing style and turned him in. The man who terrorized the nation with high-tech bombs lived like a hermit, chopping wood and growing vegetables. He hid in plain sight, a ghost in the wilderness. One typewriter brought down the most elusive domestic terrorist in American history.